The Bundle of Sticks. Once there lived a small family with a father and three sons. The three sons used to fight among each other. This made the father very unhappy and worried. One day, the father got an idea. He called them for a meeting and gave each of them a bundle of sticks. He asked them to break it. The three sons tried very hard, but they couldn't succeed. Now, the father opened the bundle of sticks and gave each of them a single stick. He asked them to break it. They could easily break it. The father explained his sons that if you always remain together like the bundle of sticks, nobody can break you and you will remain strong. But if you stay separated or single, then anybody can break you. After this, the three sons promised that they will always stay united like the bundle of sticks. The moral of the story is unity is strength. If you like this story and would love to hear more from us, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.